Welcome to this special bonus video, where we're offering you something extra, not because you need more, but because you've already seen results and want to scale up. If that's you, you're in the right place. This isn't about trying everything at once. It's about evolving your stack strategically when you're ready. And today, Craig will share 2 advanced programs that he trusts and still uses to this day.
When I first started getting consistent results, I didn't feel like I needed anything else. I had Systeme.io, HBA, and Tube Mastery, and they gave me everything I needed to build a solid business. But as I grew, I started asking myself, how can I scale what's already working without adding complexity? That's when I discovered Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 and Legendary Marketer. These programs weren't just more tools, they were masterclasses in scaling up.
The first program Craig recommends for scaling is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, created by Jonathan Montoya. Why does Craig trust it? It's a complete system that helps you not just grow income, but build authority and trust as an affiliate. It's especially focused on advanced affiliate strategies like leveraging high-ticket offers and building relationships that sell long-term.
This wasn't something I jumped into right away. I moved to Freedom Breakthrough once I felt confident in my foundation. That's why I recommend it as a scaling tool, not your starting point.
The next program Craig trusts is Legendary Marketer, created by David Sharp. It offers a mix of foundational education and next-level strategies for building a long-term marketing business. Craig specifically recommends these 2 challenges for those ready to take the next step. Learn Launch Lead Challenge $5. A 15-day blueprint that helps you build your entire marketing strategy from scratch. Confidence Challenge $7. A deeper look into building the mindset and skills needed to sell effectively online. And when David Sharp himself endorses Craig's approach, it speaks volumes. What Craig's doing with CashWave is exactly what we teach at Legendary. Affiliate marketing done the right way.
When I started getting real results, I didn't go looking for more. But when I saw what these programs were teaching, I knew I was ready. They helped me scale my income and reach more people without burning out. And here's the key. I didn't have to add more complexity. These programs were designed to integrate into what I was already doing.
Craig isn't the only one seeing results with these programs. Meet Sarah B. from Miami, Florida, a CashWave subscriber. Freedom Breakthrough helped me level up my email marketing game. I finally started converting traffic I already had into high-ticket sales. Thanks to Craig and Jonathan's techniques, I earned my first $3K in a single week. And here's what Jonathan Montoya himself says about working with Craig's community. Craig's subscribers are the kind of action takers we love inside Freedom Breakthrough. They ask great questions and get results. Here's the best part. Every tool and program Craig shares comes from personal use, not hype. And when you use our links in the description, there's even more waiting for you. When you use these links, you unlock Toolkit bonuses and private guides, exclusive deals like $500 off in some cases, step-by-step email sequences and templates, the exact paths we use inside CashWave to grow affiliate income daily. We never charge for our toolkits. Your success is our proof it works. Don't miss what's in the description. Which program are you excited to explore next? Comment below and tell us. This is your chance to level up and build something that lasts. And don't forget to bookmark this video so you can return when you're ready. Subscribe for the final recap video. Whitelist your CashWave emails for future toolkits and updates. In our final video, Craig will wrap up this series by showing you the complete roadmap, from his first funnel to his 10K monthly stack. This is where everything comes together. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.
I'll see you in the final video. This is your time to build something real.